TURCK's weld nut sensor detects ferrous weld nuts, spacers, or sleeves, and were designed for the harsh-duty, fast-paced production lines of the automotive industry. Teaching the weld nut sensor is quick and easy, with no time-consuming programming. In this tutorial, we will use a weld nut sensor, a VB2-SP1 teaching adapter, and a TB3-CP80 test box to teach a weld nut sensor to detect the presence of a weld nut. To get started, place the teach adapter between the sensor and the TB3-SP80 test box. First, we need to teach the sensor to sense metal without the nut in place. To do this, insert the sensor through the mounting hole. Press the button of the teach adapter until the blinking LED turns to a steady yellow. Next, we will teach the sensor to detect the nut. Place a nut on the sheet metal. Insert the sensor through the nut so the tip is slightly above the top of the nut, and press the button of the teach adapter until the blinking LED turns to a steady yellow. The sensor has been successfully programmed if the yellow LED is illuminated when the target is present. Once the sensor is taught, it retains that function until you reteach it, and can be done repeatedly if necessary. Thanks for watching.